Hi guys, welcome back. I hope everyone's having a good day and eager to get back into the stock market, basically waiting for the bells. I know I'm definitely eager for the bells to go. So in today's video, I'm going to chat to you about AMC Theaters, so ticker symbols AMC. So AMC as a stock has been one of my babies. I've been on this stock since like $2.95. I've had my diamond hands all the way up to $20, and then that pullback, it didn't scare me. Even seeing all those red candles hasn't scared me one bit. So in today's video, I'm going to go through the price action of AMC. So looking at where the price was yesterday and pretty much the move it's been making and where I believe the share price is going to go to in the future, and give any price target predictions of where I believe the share price is going to go to and any resistances or any basically hurdles along the way. And also, I'm a big believer of fundamental analysis. So I'm going to share with you guys any fundamentals regarding AMC. So if anything has changed fundamentally with AMC, whether positive or negative. But before I get into today's video, check this out. This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850, check out the link in my bio below. Welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussions, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. And of course, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. With that being said, you know the line. Let's get this bread. Alright guys, so I'm going to get into my daily price action of AMC. I guess so looking at the chart of AMC Entertainment Holdings, so ticker symbols AMC. So as you can see, the price recently broke the resistance of the flag pattern. What this means is that if the price breaks the resistance of a flag pattern, it means that there's bound to be a lot of momentum to the upside. Then the share price usually takes off from here. And as you can see, it broke this with very good volume. I mean, it broke it with 278 million shares being traded that day. And most of those shares, if not all those shares, were bullish. Because for the share price to break the resistance of a flag pattern, it has to do with momentum. It has to do with a lot of conviction and basically a lot of buyers. A lot of demand has to be behind that move. So for AMC or any stock to make that kind of move, there has to be a lot of demand behind that move. All right, so there's a lot of diamond hands, there's a lot of buyers behind that move. They're trying to push this stock up. They're trying to get in with very good reason because AMC is a very good company that 2021 is its year. And I'll explain a little bit further when I go into the fundamentals. So although the 15th of March, there was a very strong bullish move, but because that move was so big and it literally just broke above a resistance of $12.37, whenever you have a bullish move, a strong bullish move, what happens is you tend to have 3 types of people following that move on the next session. And those 3 people are the short sellers, you have paper hands, and then you also have people who just want to take the profit. Maybe they were anticipating that big move for whatever reason, and they just want to take the profits and go because they're happy with the profits. So you can see the outcome of this in the session of the 16th of March. So the session of the 16th of March opened lower than the close of the 15th of March, but the bears couldn't hold their own really because there wasn't that much of bearish activity relative to the bullish activity the day before. And on 17th of March session was pretty much a bullish day. It was a bullish close, although the bears tried to bring the price down a little bit, but there was a gap up. So as we can see, the pre-market open is higher than yesterday's close, the 17th of March's close. So this is a very good sign in terms of price action, guys. This is a very good sign that the bulls are winning this fight. All right, the bulls are coming in heavy. They're not playing any games. You know, they saw a lot of red candles and they're tired of that. So they're stepping in with a diamond hand. So guys, I want to draw your attention to a website, finviz.com. And for those who don't know, finviz.com is pretty much a comprehensive website in terms of they give pretty much any data that you need regarding the company. So they have the short flows, they have the shares outstanding, etc. So this definitely is very good for helping you in terms of making the right investment decisions or knowing what's going on with the company. So we're currently on Finviz looking at AMC, but I want to draw your attention to this section, so the short float. So the short float of AMC is 19.47%. So the short float is basically shows the short interest. So it shows how many short sellers are pretty much shorting the stock or trying to short the stock, but they show that in a percentage form. So the higher the percentage, the more short sellers there are on that stock. Now, why this is important to note, the more short sellers there are in any stock, the minute that stock or the share price of that stock rises by 10 cents, any amount, short sellers have to cover the shorts, okay? Because Short sellers, they make a profit when the price comes down. So when the price goes up, they start panicking. They have to cover their shorts. So by covering their shorts, they effectively have to buy back the shares. So what happens when a bunch of short sellers buy back their shares? It creates a lot more demand for that stock, which creates a bigger move in the upside for that stock. So this effectively leads to short squeezes. And this is where you see huge moves in the price action and in the upside. So this was effectively what happened to AMC at the end of January. That's why you saw the huge move from like $5 all the way up to $20, because a lot of short sellers were in AMC and they were shorting AMC, but the price just kept going up, so they had to cover their shorts. So in terms of fundamentals, what I'd like to share with you guys with regards to AMC is, guys, from Friday, they expect to open 98% of their theaters in the United States. So this is great because expect the share price to shoot up from this. A lot of investors, they're anticipating this as being a win-win for AMC. And why this is a win-win for AMC on a fundamental note is that the company would effectively, they're back in business for one, and they're effectively going to get a lot of revenue back, and they're going to offset a lot of the losses that they claimed in 2020. So in the 2020's 10K, they claimed a lot of losses, over $4 billion. So they'll effectively be able to offset that, reclaim a lot more revenue. And on an important note, why this is great for investors, the share price is going to take off, guys. So watch this space for AMC. So remember, to remain updated with AMC and what's going on with AMC, make sure you guys tune into my daily AMC price action and fundamental analysis. So if you enjoyed the content that I put out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and of course that notification bell. And also you can support me by signing up to my Patreon. The link is in the bio below. So guys, let me know your thoughts on AMC. Are you thinking about getting in on AMC? Comment below, let me know your thoughts. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.